everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to use two comparison math function blocks in Master 2. So first, let's create two new networks, then drag one box to each one of them, and finally let's name this one EQ and the other one NE. Now, before we continue, let's create two new variables of type integer. So let's say integer number 1 and integer number 2, and assign it to our function blocks. Okay, and to check the output, let's create two new Boolean variables. Let's say Boolean EQ result and Boolean NE result. Let's go to our toolbox and drag a new coil and assign these variables to our coils. There we go. Now, the way these function blocks work, say for example the EQ function block, it compares both numbers to check if they are equal. If they are, it will enable its output, and the NE function block is the inverse of the EQ function block. So instead of both numbers being equal, if they are different, it will enable its output. So let's test it right now. Let's log into the virtual PLC. And as you can see, both inputs of the EQ function block are equal, so it enables its output. But if we change one of these values, let's say 25 for number 1, then EQ will disable its output and NE will enable its output. And that's how you use the comparison function blocks in Master 2, and I see you on the next video.